Tire pressure, nitrogen usage, and tire bursts. On high speed long distance drives, air inside the tire is expanding due to friction of the tires on the road and the heat generated by hitting the brakes. But tires in which the pressure is already high at 35 to 45 psi after running for nearly 100 kilometers puts the tire in a very weak spot and a burst is likely to happen. The ideal design, therefore, is to use nitrogen because it does not get as heated up and fill that early in the morning when the ambient temperature is cool. Nitrogen, being an inert gas, does not degenerate or harm the rubber tires. Also, the pressure gauges in petrol bunks are not calibrated. We find, therefore, Shell bunks have 100% calibration. And if you need to fill air in normal bunks, carry your own pressure sensors. And when driving on highways, reduce the pressure by 1 point. It increases the road grip, you have a smoother ride and better braking and almost avoids tire bursts. Of course, a little bit more fuel consumption, but that is a small price to pay. And always set pressure when the tire is in normal condition. It's ideal you drive your car for a few minutes once a week to keep load point on tire to change to avoid the side walls cracking apart from keeping engine in running conditions. Tires get heated if brake binding occurs or driver is keeping his leg frequently on brake pedals as a rest. Do not keep your leg on the brake pedal as a rest. You are applying unnecessary friction and heating up of the tires. Also, most of the cars are parked in for almost 90% of the time, and this weakens the side walls, not to forget getting the wheel alignment at regular intervals to avoid uneven wear and tear of the tire. Now, this is of paramount importance. Periodic wheel alignment. So, these are the few fundamentals about tires that you should be cautious and careful about to prevent a terrible disaster from happening.